Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can find Task Manager in Windows 11. If this video will be helpful, definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people come, they'll be like, oh my god, it's worth it. So what you can do and how you can find it. Go to the bottom, next to the search is going to be the start button, right click on the start button, and up the settings is going to be a Task Manager. Click on it. And here you go. So here you're gonna have like the task manager, and then you're gonna have the details, services, and everything. And this is how you can find the task manager in Windows 11. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.